See this here? Inside this bag is the new DJI Mavic Air 2, and I'm going to show you what's inside this packaging, specifically the Fly More combo and why it's a better deal versus the standard one. Alright, so I took everything out of the case, and this is what comes with the Fly More combo. But before I get into the details, let's talk about what comes with the standard version of the Mavic Air 2. So the standard version is $800 versus the $988 cost of the Fly More combo. So obviously there are three main components that come with the standard package. So for the $800, you're going to get the Mavic Air 2 itself, so this guy right here, with the battery that comes already preloaded. And lastly, you're going to have the remote control, the controller to operate the drone. And you also get the usual stuff like the cables, the USB cables, the charger, the propellers, but that is all in the $800. Alright, so I have everything laid out here, and you're probably wondering, what are you going to get extra for the $988 cost of the Fly More combo? The first thing here is the batteries. You're going to get 2 extra batteries. So in total, instead of 1, you're getting 3, and that's important because the Mavic Air 2 is the longest lasting out of the entire Mavic series. It now extends to 34 minutes on a single charge. So with 3 batteries, you're going to get over an hour and a half of flying time. The second notable thing that comes with it is this pack of ND filters, and they go over the camera obviously, and this is very useful for bright situations. If you want to do long exposure with photography, or perhaps you want to shoot video but it's really bright out, or you're there in the middle of the day, you could use these ND filters to get a more natural look with your video, so the shutter speed's not shooting so high. Obviously, when you buy the drone, it does come with the battery charger here. So you connect one end to your outlet, the other to your battery, and that's it. But with the Fly More combo, it comes with the battery hub. And this is useful because overnight, you could just pop in all 3 batteries and you don't have to worry about swapping them to charge individually. You plug this end here to the charger, and that is it. There's also this little guy here. I didn't know what it was at first, but I realized what it was after I read the instructions. So basically, it is a battery bank. It connects to the batteries, so it converts the Mavic Air 2's battery into a power bank. USB ports right there. You can charge your smartphone or other devices. And the last thing you're getting with the Fly More combo are double the propellers. So in the event that you break them, at least you have an extra pair here, so you get double the amount. And finally, the last thing that it comes with is the carrying case. This is definitely useful. You saw how I took everything out of the packaging here onto the table. So it's just nice because you don't have to buy a separate backpack for it. You could stuff everything here, and I'm kind of surprised how compact this is. It could actually fit in a backpack, so not only your laptop, maybe your other camera gear, but now you could stuff this guy in there as well. Now I want to shift gears here for a moment and talk more about the drone itself and what makes it special in DJI's lineup. Right now, it has the longest flight time out of all the drones, 34 minutes like I said. The camera has been upgraded over its predecessor. It's a half-inch 12-megapixel sensor. It has the ability to capture 48-megapixel shots in this new high-resolution mode. And as far as video, it's pretty capable. You have 4K at 60 frames per second, so that's the best you're gonna get. It's at 120 megabits per second bit rate, so the quality should exceed anything else that DJI has put out with the Mavic series before. Here's the controller. I want to show you what it looks like. It's different from, let's say, the Mavic Mini, where you have the smartphone placed below the controller. This one is different because now you have the arm here that holds the smartphone in place. And what I like is the adapter itself, the USB cable that connects to your smartphone. It's tucked away inside this component right here, so it's pretty easy to access. And the other thing too is that, of course, you notice that the joysticks aren't on there. They're actually hidden right here. You take them off, so when you're ready to use them, you screw them on and you're ready to go. And those are just small things that make it even more compact, because now if you were to put this in a bag or something, this is going to be hitting on something else. Also, DJI is really proud to say that this is its smartest drone to date because it packs a lot of technologies and sensors to help it avoid obstacles and collision. You have obstacle avoidance sensors on the front, the back, and even below. And there are also some other technologies where it'll be able to detect nearby aircraft, whether it's a helicopter, airplane, or another drone, to notify you as you're piloting it. And that's pretty much it, guys. So for me, I think the Fly More combo is a better deal. Yes, you're gonna pay the extra money, but for the extra batteries, the propellers, the battery charging hub, the case itself, I think it's well worth spending the extra money. I'm gonna be testing it out more, see how it handles, but I'm gonna leave you with one clip here that I shot yesterday. This is the asteroid feature of the DJI Mavic Air 2, and you could expect that review soon, so check it out on digitaltrends.com.